Want to permanently remove unwanted apps from your iPhone running iOS 26? Here are two simple methods. First, from your home screen, find the app icon you want gone. Press and hold until a menu appears. Then tap Delete App and confirm. You'll instantly free up space and wipe out the app's data. If you'd rather manage multiple apps at once, open Settings, scroll down to General, then tap iPhone Storage. You'll see every installed app listed along with its storage footprint. Swipe left on any app to reveal the red Delete button. Tap it and confirm deletion. This method is especially handy for clearing out large games or utilities you no longer use. Keep in mind that deleting an app also erases all its local data. If you've got an active subscription tied to it, cancel that first in the app settings to avoid future charges. That's all it takes to permanently delete apps on iOS 26. If this helped you, tap like, share your favorite iPhone cleanup tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.